Well, it's the next day on my fabrication project. I've got everything welded in, got some corner braces welded in, got all my cross beams welded in, and just finished welding up this last one. So the top is all done as far as framing it up. So I guess the next thing is to do is figure out how much weight I'm going to need to lift with the hydraulic or air pressure springs. So I need to get a bathroom scale, I guess, and figure out how much this thing weighs. I screwed up the other day. I was buying some hinges for the front of this thing. Here's the one that I got. They're really nice. They're ball bearing hinges. They really work nicely, but you put it on there, you see it doesn't lay flat. You can see the gap in there. So I ended up going last night to getting these, which are completely flat, as you can see. So they do lay completely flat. I'm gonna weld one side to the trailer and then bolt the other side. Weld one side to the frame and then bolt the other side to the trailer so I can take the top off. I don't want it welded on there permanently. So I guess I'll go ahead and weld these things up. They've got zinc coating, so I guess I need to be careful with that. Probably not like galvanized, but still don't want to screw myself up. Alright, well, I changed my mind. Instead of welding the hinges on, I'm going to drill and tap the tube. I've already drilled all 4 holes. I've tapped this one. Now I've got to do the rest of them. That way, when I paint it, I won't have to worry about the hinges getting all gummed up with paint. Don't know if this thin wall tube is going to hold it very well, but I can always weld it later. These are 1/4 20 screws, by the way. This one's being a little stubborn. There we go. Okay, I got bolts, lock washers, and the hinge. I love it when a plan comes together. I have to cut that hinge off a little bit. I cut it right there at that hole and drill another couple of holes, I guess, to bolt into that. Get that hinge flush there. That'd be nice. Very nice. Alright, well, I've got all my hinges bolted on there. 1/4 20 bolts threaded into that 2x2 stock. Just got it clamped on there for right now. As you can see the other side. Now I've got it propped open about like the angle it's going to be when it's done. Like I said, I'll probably get some air props between here and here, and so it'll lift it up. The rigidity is the flexing of the frame is not all that much. I was fearing that it was going to flex a lot more than it is. So you can see it's maybe an inch or so, maybe a couple inches. So it's pretty stiff. Don't want that fall. So quite happy with it.